I do not want to believe that the ZDF are neglecting on their duties, but they are watching the process, and when ZANU-PF itself becomes a security threat, I want to believe they will advise accordingly. Salabina mashoko branyo kapangwa ine tiona kuti General Mchena waya vachitara mashoko achiti is another military coup brewing in Zimbabwe. The ZDF are watching the current political process and will not hesitate to act if the ruling party itself becomes a security threat. Sarabina mashoko branyo kapangwa ine don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tina no zero mumdanyo kamchinze. There's a reference to advising accordingly is a thinly veiled military euphemism that many in Zimbabwe interpret as a threat of intervention. In the 2013 coup, the military used a similar language, claiming they were targeting criminals around the president to justify their move against Mugabe. Today, the criminals being identified by the military old guard are a new group of unelected leaders who have allegedly seized control of ZANU-PF through cash, vehicle donations, and co-option to the Central Committee. The retired Air Marshal most chilling statements, however, was directed at the current leadership's attempt to manipulate the military's constitutional role. These opportunists have quickly moved to try and remove Section 212 of the Constitution, which mandates the ZDF to defend the Constitution, and I think that is a way of trying to manipulate the constitutional process. Mchena's critique of the party's current state is scathing. I have been a ZANU-PF member for well over half a century, and I have believed in the principles of what it was created, but let ZANU-PF is a new group of leaders that seem to believe that leadership can be bought using money, he lamented. He described a party that has lost its way, where the use of influence by unelected leaders within ZANU-PF became overwhelming. He argued that this influence could only be curtailed if the party goes back to its basic principles and hands over power to the people. Doma developments arabuda pangwa inwe. Pena comment section videos of furo enyi mutu liba mzuru pechitu kulichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.